Hey y'all, you're watching Two Bears Outdoors, out here in the glades, living it up.
Well guys, as you can tell, Nest Key is empty. Got a few more boats, but just about everybody has gone home. One thing about Nest Key, look at that. It's got the most beautiful sunsets. So we set up our mosquito net. I will be having a video on how we installed our mosquito net, so that's just a whole different video in its own, but it works phenomenal, especially when you're anchoring by the mangroves and cove areas. I mean, there's a lot of no see'ums, mosquitoes, a lot of biting insects. This will keep them away, and it's fairly inexpensive. All right, so we're inside the Cuddy Cabin. It's about 8 o'clock at night, and we're gonna go to sleep. We're just gonna call it a night. Right, baby bear? We'll see you in the morning. Good night. Well guys, good morning. Right, Bear Bear, ready to go potty? Get your tallywagger out of the camera. There you go. One thing about Nest Key, it's so peaceful. Early in the morning before you get the crowd come in. It's just a neat area to just kind of anchor and enjoy your day with the family. And but it's just beautiful. Totally beautiful. When it's just you by yourself. Actually, we have one boat way out there that had the same idea. But look at there.
we've had a great day so far, and we are going to have a really late lunch. So we've got our kebabs made up, and we're going to cook some corn also to go with them. But we're excited to dig into this. It's just a beautiful day. So we rigged up one of our covers that we usually use for kayaking. It's real stretchy, so we kind of rigged it up to the side because our cover is great when the sun is directly overhead. Then when we get turned around to the side, it's still hitting us. So kind of rigged our shade up a little bit. We'll rig it better after we get done with the grill. We just don't want to get it too close to the grill, but it's keeping us in the shade, so we're going to eat and enjoy our late lunch. Can you put the corn on there, please?
Well, folks, the ending of a day. Valentine's Day, that is. Beautiful sunset.
Yeah. I hope they're not funneling into the cabin.
The wind has definitely died down. I got you filming. Eating your cookies.
Mint cookies.
Mint cookie.
Well, it's been a beautiful day out here at Nest Key, and we're out here. It's just us tonight. Our neighbors that we had last night, they evidently left this afternoon, so it's just us and the puppies, and evidently an owl. We're hearing our little friend the owl again tonight. It's pretty cool. And we got a little bit of a moon, but it'll be setting here pretty soon. Just a little sliver of it, but it's really cool looking. So here in a little while, I think we're going to climb up on the front and do some stargazing again. I love to get up there and look. But it's been a great day.
Guys, we have spent a beautiful Valentine's Day out here on the water. This is night number 2. The wind has picked up. We're going to go to sleep. Good night.
Hey guys, so it is a beautiful day out here again today. It's President's Day, so it looks like some folks are starting to come out. A lot of people are off work today, and we just came across the outfitter that goes out of one of the new resorts, one of the newer resorts in Key Largo. It's called the Bungalows.
Hey guys, my name is Captain Patrick. I'm with the Bungalows Resort here. We are our vessel Tiki Tie over here. We come into the Everglades 3 times out of the week here.